friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today I'm going to talk about a new product, namely the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo. So this is a new upgraded and mean machine that comes with a lot of eco-friendly initiatives as part of Lenovo's green initiative. So we caught up with Ashish Sikka from Lenovo to tell us more about the new ThinkCentre Neo and everything it has to offer. Now we have remote working and hybrid work styles and so on. So how is the new ThinkCentre Neo catering to this, and what are the new features that Lenovo is bringing to the forefront?
What ThinkCentre Neo does is it builds on the legacy of the ThinkCentre, but it takes it forward with a future-ready and a modern design. It's powerful, it's masked, it's stylish, it's easy to manage, it's energy efficient, it's meant for a modern workplace. It's made from eco-friendly technology, which is there. It's very secure. The packaging material which is used is also recycled and eco-friendly, and it is able to meet all the collaboration needs of a business. As an example, it is integrated very well on Windows 11 with Microsoft Teams, which helps in a faster and a simpler collaboration. It has AI tools which help you to manage your virtual backgrounds. It has very simple things as cable management, which allows your desk to be cluster free, as most of the people somehow try to manage between going to office and staying at home or working in a hybrid workforce environment. It's actually everything with which a business will need, whether it's a small business or a large business.
So what would you say is one of the key factors that makes the ThinkCentre Neo different from other machines?
What makes us very excited about the product is how environmentally responsible the product is. When we look at the entire range, it's made of 80 to 85% post-consumer content resin. It's made from the packaging used this ocean-bound plastic. It's recyclable. It has various low noise certification, which means it's energy efficient. It has something called as a intelligent cooling engine 5.0, which brings down the heat generated, which means the power consumption is low. So these are some of the things which get us excited on the environmental side. On the other side, it's a very minimalistic design machine. It's a very good looking machine. It's made of terrazzo material. And third thing, it's very secure. It has what we called as ThinkShield security, which is a suite of hardware and software which we use to protect our machines. It has discrete TPM, which helps in safety. It can also be physically secured. It has BIOS protection. It has USB protection, so that the data cannot be transferred of the entire thing. Of how do we support the life cycle of the product? So what we are doing is we'll have premier support available on the ThinkCentre Neo, which would mean you'll have you'll have an option of 24/7 by 365 support if you need, which is there. You'll have prioritized parts availability. Large accounts can have account managers, technical account managers. Important perspective on that when we look at our climate change goals, our commitment to ESG. That's where all of this becomes even more important to us.
Lenovo has included Intel processors for the new ThinkCentre Neo. So is there any particular reason for preferring Intel over other chip manufacturers?
Look at the ThinkCentre Neo. The first launch is with Intel, but we have strong brand alliances with both Intel and AMD. We cherish both the partnerships, and we are right now launching it with the 12th gen Intel processors. But in due course of time, you'll also see AMD processors coming out on this. But just to put it on record, I think the new 12th gen processors, when we look at the speeds, the performance improvement, it's a job well done by Intel and its team, and in listening to customers and giving machines which are much better, much more secure, and much more productive and efficient. And when we look at the RAM, which is there, we'll be using the DDR4 RAM, and ThinkCentre Neo itself has various avatars, as to say. It has a ThinkCentre Neo S, it has a ThinkCentre Tower, it has all-in-ones. So the RAM capacities would vary RAM upgradability would be anywhere between 32 GB to 64 GB based on the model which you choose. We are using DDR4 RAM here, and in terms of hard disk, it will support both HDD, SSD. Again, looking at various models, many of the models will support dual drives. It will support both HDDs and SSDs, and it will, I think, if I'm not wrong, support up to 2 TB SSD and HDD.
So the 12th gen Intel Core processors, they support DDR5 and LPDDR5 memory, but the ThinkCentre Neo still comes with the DDR4 RAM. So why, is there a particular reason for this, or could you just tell me a little bit more about that?
The technology industry per se is going through a supply crunch, right? We've seen it affect not only the PC industry, we have seen it affect the consumer electronics, the automotive industry, and even some of the very large industries who use ICs in their machine. So it's because of the supply situation that we thought that what is the best in terms of it. It's not about innovating also on a product, but being able to deliver to the customer on time. And that's where we thought DDR4 is what it suits. But we have the ThinkCentre M series range also, which will have the 12 gen processor and which will have the DDR5.
So what is Lenovo's business expectation from the ThinkCentre Neo desktops, and how many units are you hoping to sell?
We actually do it the other way around nowadays. We go about looking at what are the customer needs and how do we fulfill those customer needs. Sells a target of selling an X number of units, but we are setting more a target of giving a genuine customer experience.
What are the new products from Lenovo that we can expect for this year?
We were going in for a whole range of refresh of our products. You'll see many more products getting launched in August, September, and towards the second half of the financial year. We'll be launching more desktops. We'll be launching new laptops in both the entry level and premium grade. We'll be launching mobile workstations, desktop workstations. We are also not only that, we are also looking from a services angle that how can we make life of our customer easier, because one part is the product innovation which we bring in, but also the other part is the customer experience innovation. New aspect of it is how do we also integrate it with the things which people are using more and more, like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Alexa. How do we make the machines more secure? So those are the innovations which you'll continue to see as we go forward.
So, as you can see, the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo is one of the most powerful machines that's available in the Indian market. Whether you're looking for a machine for your entire enterprise or just to boost up your performance productivity, I think the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo will make a great addition. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such videos and check out Gizbot.com for more content. Thank you.